Hello everyone. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I have brought a very quick tip for you. Try to implement this or remember this most of the times whenever you're having a very auspicious event in your life. So, auspicious events can include weddings, engagements, inauguration of your new business, anything that is extremely important for personal or professional gains. So, according to numerology, what is suggested is do not inaugurate or do not schedule any auspicious event on a date that adds up to the number 4 or 8. How will you add these numbers up is if you choose, for example, the date 18th March, 2021, it comes out, if you add every single digit of this date, 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 2021 is 5, it comes out to 17, and you will further add 17 to derive a single digit number, and it will come down to 8. Similarly, if you have 14th March 2021, it comes out to the number 13, and that comes down to 4. In numerology, it is very firmly believed that if you choose such dates that add up to the number 4 or the number 8, it becomes very unlucky. So that event happening on that particular date will not give you maximum benefits. It will not be very successful. In numerology, it is firmly believed that if you schedule these auspicious events on especially 4, that event is definitely not going to be successful. It is not going to grow. It is going to have a very negative impact. That number 4 signifies Rahu, which is one of the most malefic planets in astrology and numerology, and it will not let you succeed. It is not a very auspicious number. It is not a very successful number. So it is often suggested that please avoid this number as much as you can. If you schedule an event on a date that is adding up to number 8, it is not going to have negative impacts in your life, but there will be a very high chance that things may get delayed, because number 8 signifies the planet Saturn, and that is one of the slowest moving planets. So things that are scheduled can get delayed, can move very slowly. I have seen so many times people schedule their weddings on a date that either has 8 number in it or it adds up to the number 8, and they have to reschedule. Something or the other happens and they're just not able to make it. So to prevent delays, to prevent, back and forth going with organizing things and, feeling disappointed, try to avoid dates that add up to the number 4 and 8. Do remember this and do try to follow it as much as you can for maximum luck and maximum benefits. Stay tuned for more such tips and remedies. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Swasti. Thank you.